Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a stormy start for our Monday. Rain and storms likely, a severe weather threat as well. So let's get to it and get over to the Key Wall. Talk about what we have going on. Now, the metrics are not overly high, but there is a fairly significant threat of at least some sort of severe weather, especially for northwestern sections of Acadiana. Later tonight through the pre-dawn hours. After dawn, the storms, as they're moving through Acadiana, will be losing their severe weather dynamics, so they'll be weakening somewhat. But nonetheless, we're going to have to be on the lookout for the possibility of damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado and hail as well. And there is the risk of some flooding, especially northwestern sections of Acadiana. That's where the big action is going to be as we head later on tonight through tomorrow. So here's that storm system that produced the severe weather by Iowa that you saw on Friday, and then Oklahoma yesterday, still producing the threat of severe storms from Missouri back down through eastern Texas. And that's what we've been watching during the course of the evening hours. And some of these storms producing hail, damaging winds, a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning as well. And you can see there's a number of severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for some of these cells. Wind damage in excess of 60 miles an hour. That's what we'd be looking at first thing tomorrow morning, and the possibility of some hail as well. Let's zoom on in, and again, you can see the strongest from, say, the College Station, Huntsville area, north of Livingston, Lufkin, and then into northwestern sections of Acadiana. Let's bring in some storm tracking here, and this makes it look a little bit more interesting. You see rotating cells in these storms, and that's what we may see as things move on through across here as we head through the early morning hours of our Monday. And again, biggest risk of severe weather is going to be mainly during the morning hours tomorrow, from around daybreak through about 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning, more than likely. Power Doppler 3 indicating the edge of those storms off to the north and west. So we've seen a few spotty showers across the area. We'd had 1 or 2 in Lafayette. That's why we had a 20% in for today, and we got it during the course of the evening. So we're thankful for that, and thankful we got it in all of Festival International without a hitch. Now, weather-wise, this is kind of a little bit interesting. This is per the Storm Prediction Center. This is through overnight tonight through 7 a.m. tomorrow, and there's a fairly significant risk, an enhanced risk of severe storms. Northwestern parishes of Acadiana, Evangeline, Allen parishes on northwestward, the rest of Acadiana, and a slight risk of severe storms. And that's what we had in our graphic a little bit earlier, pre-dawn hours through Monday. Now, you go to tomorrow's forecast from the Storm Prediction Center, it's just green. It's not going to go from this to just plain marginal right at 7 a.m. magically. So this map has got to be updated, and this is one of the disconnects that we have with the Storm Prediction Center. But nonetheless, count on this, a slight risk of severe storms, especially around daybreak tomorrow, and that risk will carry on to the east, but the storms will be weakening. Flood watch in effect for northwestern sections of Acadiana. Here's the tornado watch. You see the flood warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings back to our north and west. And as we take a look at our HRRR model here, brings storms knocking on the door right around daybreak tomorrow, and then progressing right through 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. By noon, things begin to wind down, and by tomorrow afternoon, it looks to clear up. We might even see the sun by sunset tomorrow. As for rainfall, expect 1 to 2, 1 to 3, certainly a good call. Higher amounts to the west. This is where we could see flooding. You see the models getting hotter here with 3 to 5 inches of rain, more common over toward western and southwestern Louisiana. So overnight tonight, rains, maybe a few passing showers early. The bigger storms, northwestern sections of Acadiana toward daybreak tomorrow. And then tomorrow, certainly going to be a stormy day, especially during the morning hours. We'll say some possibly severe 1 to 3 inches of rain will be possible, settling down for the afternoon hours. And we see that on our True View sky as well. Hopefully we get to see a sunset. Could be a pretty one as well. Tuesday, looks like rain chances down. We could see some slight rain chances through the middle part of next week. All in all, we stay in the 80s, lows near 70, and it only gets hotter toward the end of the 10-day forecast, with summer knocking on the door. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.